And good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. It is good to see you again live today at Patty Shanks Pub in Baldwin Park. Arian Foster of the Houston Texans will be the second pick in tonight's draft, more than likely. Had some comments yesterday when he had on Twitter a picture of his hamstring, which by the way is sprained. And his hamstring, he says it feels fine. A doctor saw it and said it won't be fine for about a month. I believe the doctor, by the way. Arian Foster also said that all these fantasy people are, quote, sick. Let me explain to you something. 90% of NFL fans, if not more, are involved in fantasy football. And fantasy football and the money that it involves has helped make the NFL big. NFL players should not only respect fantasy football, but they should be happy that we care enough about these guys to wonder about their injuries. When Arian Foster says all fantasy people are sick, what he in fact is saying is that 90% of the people, if not more, to call the NFL are sick. Arian Foster is wrong. Fantasy football has been the biggest reason why the NFL is as big as it is right now. Fantasy football is gigantic, and we are not sick. Matter of fact, David, you think I'm sick with my fantasy? Never mind that. Anyway, named the fantasy vulture today, Mo Williams. In 2002, 11 touchdowns. See you tomorrow.